Hello everyone, Coach Carol here with the next set of tips for your family research in 2023. In this tip, I'll be looking at some SMART plans to refresh your research. And I'm choosing those that I'm following myself during the month of January in this new year of 2023. I really need to get back to the basics. And this year I am determined to make a better effort of refreshing my research as I go. My focus is on the McCulloch clan, and I'm steadily building my research and my knowledge of members of the McCulloch clan from Scotland. One of the things that I did was to think how I would wanting to leave this as a legacy for other people. And often we need it in print form. And so as I'm doing my research, I'd like others to see what I've been able to achieve in something simple like a research book. What you're seeing on the screen now is a picture of the book that I purchased for myself to start the McCulloch clan research for 2023. And it's available on Amazon, and it came very quickly in the mail, maybe just 5 days. I think it was about $16 to purchase, and really well worth it. This family history record book will keep everything in the one place. As I do my research for the generations of the McCulloch clan, I can enter their names, their vital details into the beginning pages of the book. And then throughout the year, I can add details of their siblings, their descendants, and their ancestors in the rest of the book. Every single person in the tree that I'm building will have their own page. And at the beginning of the book, people who want to read about the family history research that I've done for the McCulloch clan will be able to see the parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, the great-greats, and the great-great-greats, all the way back to 5 levels or 5 generations. Of course, that's going to take me a while. This book actually allows you to record research for 8 generations of your family tree. That's quite a large number of people to manage. And for many of those who are looking on, they just want to see some of the details. Who was Grandma Mary, or who was Granddad James? When were they born? When did they marry? And when did they pass away? That's enough for some people who want to learn what you've been doing in your research. So this for me is getting back to basics. Just get a family history record book of one kind or another, and make sure that each time you research, you handwrite onto the pages the details that you've found. I'm going to use pencil to start with. I discovered that quite often I will make mistakes, and I'll have to retrace my steps and make sure that I've got the right people and the right dates to record for their vital records. But once you've done this, it becomes a habit-forming exercise. And I expect to be able to fill several pages of this book, not all of them this year, but several pages as I research. So this is my tip for you. Consider how you can create some habit-forming tasks for yourself in recording your research. You might just start with a notebook and write down who you're researching and what details you've found. If you want to put it into some sort of logical order that others will see and be able to read in a chronological order, then this type of book is what you'll need. I did something similar for my research on my own family tree years and years ago, and it's still beside me. It's a reference book. I can just quickly flick to a page and find that ancestor and their details. So I hope that you can keep track of all your family history research this year, all in the one place. Now, if you're looking for an activity that will help you go through these steps one by one with a group of people, I'm holding a Facebook live. No, it's actually a Zoom session that I'm doing, but it happens to be inside a group on Facebook. And my group is called Digital Storytelling Online. I'll put the link below the video. So if you want to come along to that event on the 1st of February, come and join us at Digital Storytelling Online.